Hello world, this is my first Spaces broadcast. I am thinking that it's a really good opportunity for me to share my passion for finding the business application of emerging technologies. Very recently, I have been reading about NFTs, DeFi, and protocols. I noticed there's still a lot of people talking about Bitcoin, but honestly, that train departed a long time ago. I think it's a more interesting opportunity for us right now to look at investments into Stellar, Dot, Cardano, Engine, to look at crypto art. But not only that, there's a lot of things going on. From new browsers that continue, you know, becoming more popular, and I'm talking about the Brave browser, to a variety of things happening in different spaces, different categories of software. I am planning to talk about cloud cost management, which I think it's a hot topic. On the DevOps space, I think there's a big opportunity to talk about rapid application development and low code. All of this is, again, not only supporting rapid application development, but also a new category of software that can help business people, satisfy their own needs. This can also help the developer organizations into reducing the burden of the number of applications that need to be supported. So there's a lot going on in here with companies such as OutSystems, Appian, and other companies. Monitoring and observability is another super interesting category. All these application and infrastructure performance management tools are important for multi-cloud, for migrating to the cloud. And there's always a conversation about the traditional workloads, from compute, storage, network, database, analytics. And clearly security is also another big category where there's a lot of use cases, from identity and access management, endpoint security, and here companies like CrowdStrike are being very successful in this space, threat detection and response. But some other emerging categories in the DevOps space are also chaos engineering. So why don't we start talking about all of these different technologies and learn together? For over 30 years, I have been trying to identify the trends. It was in 2007 when I was leading the cloud efforts for Microsoft in Latin America, leading the relationship with ISVs. Then in 2010, I had the opportunity to work for the Microsoft data platform team, where my work was related to technical product management for SQL Server, a huge, well-known product, but also BI, machine learning, and NoSQL. That's where all that conversation about Hadoop and big data were taking place. And then in 2006, I moved to work on cloud marketplaces. And this has provided me the opportunity to work with many of these unicorns over the last 6 years. So this is, again, a new channel. I can see Mike joining us. Mike, this is my very first Spaces conversation. And this one, I am trying to keep it in English. I also plan to open a second conversation in Spanish from my channel, but my goal is to talk about new technologies and new use cases from crypto, DevOps, compute, storage, EC2, and any other enterprise software applications. contact center, user experience. I have had the opportunity to work with many of these vendors at the cloud marketplace. And so I believe this could be interesting for many people to hear. Mike, are you there? Okay, I'm going to keep this one really short for now, but expect me to return and announce via Twitter some of the details of the conversations. But I really hope this is, again, an opportunity to add value, to help you look at and evaluate some of these new technologies. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Thank you.